In an era where information is just a click away, many wonder if a travel agent is still a relevant asset. The digital landscape offers countless booking sites and travel blogs, seemingly making trip planning an independent endeavor. Yet, the value of a professional travel agent has never been more pronounced, especially as we look towards 2025 and beyond. Travel agents are not just booking platforms, they are invaluable partners for any traveler. Whether you are a business professional, a senior seeking comfort, a family planning a memorable vacation, or an adventurer exploring new horizons, they bring a level of expertise and personalized service that algorithms simply cannot replicate. Their role extends far beyond simple reservations, offering a comprehensive suite of services designed to enhance your travel experience. The key benefits of engaging a travel agent are compelling and multifaceted. They excel at saving you money through exclusive deals, saving precious time by handling intricate details, and providing a truly personalized service tailored to your unique desires. These advantages are relevant for every type of journey, from a romantic honeymoon to a critical business trip or a multi-generational family vacation. Consider the complexities of modern travel, from ever-changing regulations to the sheer volume of choices. A travel agent acts as your personal navigator, cutting through the noise and ensuring your trip is not just booked, but perfectly curated. They transform potential stress into seamless enjoyment, making every journey an experience to cherish. At its core, a travel agent is a professional dedicated to planning, booking, and managing all aspects of your travel. They are much more than just an online booking engine. They are human experts with a deep understanding of the travel industry. Their expertise goes far beyond simply securing flights and hotels, encompassing a holistic approach to your entire journey. A travel agent functions as your trusted advisor, a meticulous trip planner, and a proactive problem solver. They anticipate your needs and address potential issues before they arise, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. This comprehensive support is what truly sets them apart in the travel planning process. They provide personalized service meticulously tailored to your specific requirements and budget. Whether you are looking for luxury, adventure, or a budget-friendly escape, they craft options that align perfectly with your financial parameters. Your travel goals and preferences are always at the forefront of their planning. Every detail, from the grand itinerary to the smallest logistical consideration, is handled with precision. Travel agents conduct extensive research, manage complex bookings, and offer expert advice based on years of experience and industry connections. This meticulous attention ensures your trip is not just planned, but perfectly executed for maximum enjoyment. One of the most significant advantages of partnering with a travel agent is gaining access to their unparalleled expert advice and insider knowledge. They possess an in-depth understanding of destinations worldwide, often having first-hand experience or extensive training. This knowledge is a powerful tool in crafting your ideal trip. They can provide invaluable insights into the best times to visit specific locations, helping you avoid crowds or capitalize on ideal weather conditions. Their recommendations extend to the finest accommodations and resorts, ensuring your stay is comfortable, luxurious, or perfectly suited to your travel style. They know the hidden gems and the places to avoid. Travel agents offer guidance on must-see experiences, local customs, and even areas that might not be safe or suitable for your group. This level of detail elevates your trips from ordinary vacations to extraordinary adventures. They transform generic itineraries into truly memorable journeys. Their insider perspective is crucial for unlocking unique opportunities and authentic experiences that might otherwise be missed. They can suggest local eateries, cultural events, or exclusive tours that truly immerse you in your chosen destination. This expertise ensures an unforgettable travel experience, rich with discovery and enjoyment. Planning a trip, especially a complex one, can be incredibly time-consuming and often quite stressful. The endless hours spent researching flights, comparing hotels, and coordinating transportation can quickly become overwhelming. This is where a travel agent truly shines, acting as your personal concierge. Travel agents streamline the entire planning process by handling all the intricate details on your behalf. They meticulously research and book flights, ensuring the best routes and fares for your schedule and budget. They compare countless hotel options, securing reservations that meet your preferences for comfort, location, and amenities. Beyond flights and hotels, they expertly arrange all necessary transportation, from airport transfers to rental cars and local tours. This comprehensive approach means you don't have to juggle multiple bookings or worry about logistical gaps. Every piece of your journey is seamlessly connected. By entrusting these tasks to a professional, you are freed from the burden of planning and can instead focus on the excitement of your upcoming adventure. Imagine the peace of mind knowing every detail is expertly managed. A travel agent cuts through the overwhelming noise of online options, presenting you with the best choices tailored to your needs. Many travelers mistakenly believe that booking directly online always yields the best prices. However, travel agents often have access to exclusive deals and perks that are simply unavailable to the general public. Their industry connections and buying power open doors to significant savings and added value. These exclusive benefits can include deeply discounted flights and hotel packages, offering superior value compared to public rates. You might also receive complimentary room upgrades, ensuring a more luxurious stay without extra cost. Free breakfasts, resort credits, and VIP access to attractions are common perks. Imagine enjoying a complimentary spa treatment or a special dinner, all thanks to your agent's connections. These added amenities significantly enhance your travel experience and provide tangible value. Such perks can often offset any applicable agent fees, making their service a truly cost-effective choice. For businesses, these exclusive deals can translate into substantial savings on corporate travel budgets. For families, they mean more value for your vacation dollar, allowing for more experiences or a higher quality of accommodation. A travel agent leverages their network to maximize your travel investment. One of the hallmarks of a truly exceptional travel experience is a personalized itinerary, crafted specifically for you. Travel agents excel at designing custom travel plans that perfectly align with your individual interests, desires, and travel style. They understand that no two travelers are alike. Whether you dream of a romantic getaway, a fun-filled family-friendly resort vacation, or an adventurous tour through exotic landscapes, they tailor every aspect. They can arrange cultural immersion experiences, specialized tours, or even unique culinary journeys. Your vision becomes their blueprint. They consider every detail, from your preferred pace of travel to your specific budget constraints. This meticulous approach ensures that your day-by-day plan fits your preferences perfectly, creating a seamless and enjoyable flow. You won't find generic, one-size-fits-all packages here. For seniors, this might mean slower-paced itineraries with accessible accommodations and guided tours. For families, it could involve kid-friendly activities and flexible schedules. Business travelers benefit from efficient routes and convenient meeting arrangements, all designed to maximize productivity and comfort. While we all hope for smooth travels, unforeseen circumstances can and do arise. This is where the true value of a travel agent becomes undeniably clear, proving their worth when things go awry. They are your dedicated advocate and problem solver in times of crisis. Travel agents provide invaluable assistance with common travel disruptions, acting swiftly and efficiently on your behalf. If a flight is cancelled, they work tirelessly to rebook you on the next available option, often leveraging their connections to secure seats others cannot. They rearrange accommodations and transportation as needed. Their support extends to more serious situations, such as natural disasters, political unrest, or even the loss of a passport. They provide crucial guidance, connect you with necessary resources, and help navigate complex bureaucratic processes. You are never alone when facing a challenge. This dedicated support often includes 24/7 availability, offering unparalleled peace of mind throughout your journey. Knowing you have a professional advocate ready to assist, no matter the time zone or situation, is an invaluable asset. A travel agent is your steadfast ally when things go awry, ensuring your safety and minimizing disruption. Coordinating travel for multiple people, whether for a family reunion, a destination wedding, or a corporate event, can be an incredibly complex and daunting task. A travel agent specializes in making group and corporate travel coordination hassle-free and efficient. They handle the intricate logistics with expertise. They manage all aspects of group bookings, from securing blocks of rooms to arranging special requests for individual travelers. This includes coordinating flights, ground transportation, activities, and even dining reservations for large parties. Their experience ensures everyone's needs are met. For corporate travel, agents understand the unique demands of business trips, focusing on efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and traveler comfort. They can manage complex itineraries, multiple destinations, and last-minute changes with ease. This allows your team to focus on their objectives, not logistics. They also simplify payment processes, which can be a major headache for group organizers. Whether it's managing individual payments for a wedding party or consolidating billing for a corporate retreat, they handle the financial complexities. This expertise ensures a smooth and stress-free experience for all participants. Despite common misconceptions, using a travel agent can often lead to significant cost savings, making their service a truly cost-efficient choice. While some agents charge a fee, the value they provide often far outweighs this initial investment. They are experts at maximizing your travel budget. Travel agents achieve cost efficiency by finding better deals and helping you avoid costly mistakes that can quickly inflate your travel expenses. They know when to book, which airlines offer the best value, and how to navigate complex pricing structures. Their expertise prevents overspending. They are adept at bundling services, combining flights, hotels, and activities into packages that offer substantial discounts. These bundled deals are often unavailable to individual consumers booking separately. This strategic packaging ensures you get more for your money. The value of their time, expertise, and unwavering support often far outweighs any potential fees. Consider the cost of your own time spent researching, the potential for booking errors, or the expense of dealing with travel disruptions alone. A travel agent is an investment that pays dividends in savings, peace of mind, and an elevated travel experience. As we navigate the complexities of 2025 and beyond, the question of why use a travel agent is answered with a resounding affirmation. In a world saturated with information, the human touch, expert knowledge, and dedicated support of a travel professional are more valuable than ever. They transform the daunting task of trip planning into an exciting and effortless journey. Travel is an investment, not just of money, but of precious time and cherished memories. Such an important investment deserves the guidance and expertise of a professional. A travel agent ensures that every dollar spent and every moment experienced contributes to an unforgettable adventure. To summarize, the benefits are clear and compelling. You gain expert guidance and insider knowledge, unlocking unique experiences and avoiding potential pitfalls. You receive personalized service with itineraries meticulously crafted to your individual preferences and budget. Access to exclusive deals and perks often means greater value and luxury for your investment. Crucially, a travel agent provides unparalleled peace of mind, offering 24/7 support and acting as your dedicated advocate should any unforeseen circumstances arise. They simplify complex group and corporate travel, making coordination effortless. Ultimately, engaging a travel agent is a smart investment that guarantees a stress-free, memorable, and truly exceptional travel experience every single time.